Okay, this is just a real quick video on how to change your assignment in Zearn if you were confused after our meeting with Amy the other day. So, just super easy. You can go into your Clever. They've already set you up with your username and password there. And I always just log in with my Google. So, and it tells you that you have a school account up here in the top. So you go to your account, and you have two classes. They have already assigned them for you, so that's super nice. And then you want to go in. You got all your little kiddos here. You want to go change, click this box, or this won't even highlight, so click this box. It picks everyone in your class. If you wanted to just do certain people, of course, you could uncheck. So change lesson, and you want to go third grade. So, and that's how you want, that's where we're starting. And you just want to do set and make sure you do that for both classes. Real quick, something else that I did was I went down here to the username and passwords and I saved these to my computer so that I can screenshot them and send them to parents, because I have a few that are having issues with Clever, not sure why, but they could actually go to the Zearn app or zearn.org if their stuff isn't working, and you could send them a screenshot of their actual password. So I saved those for both classes. So just make sure you go in and do that for both classes, and that should get us started for the week, and I'll come back and talk about reports and stuff later as we get there. So just wanted to drop in and help out with that.